Conservatism, when embraced with an open mind, can play a role in our spiritual growth as straight masculine males. Now, you might be thinking, conservatism and spirituality, how do they go together? Let me break it down for you in a way that's as simple as it gets. First and foremost, true conservatism provides straight, masculine males with a blueprint for embracing tolerance and acceptance towards those who may differ from them. It recognizes that diversity is not only inevitable, but also a valuable aspect of our shared human experience. As conservative individuals, we can uphold the principles of liberty and respect by understanding that everyone has the right to pursue their own happiness and live authentically. Secondly, conservatism at its core emphasizes personal responsibility. It encourages us to take ownership of our choices and actions, and that includes our spiritual journey. It reminds us that we have the power to shape our own lives, and that includes our spiritual beliefs and practices. Now, out of fairness, I must emphasize that spirituality is a deeply personal experience. It knows no boundaries of gender or sexual orientation because it's about connecting with something greater than ourselves and finding inner peace and fulfillment. However, as straight men who are leaders of our families and communities, we must learn to lead our spiritual growth in a direction that resonates with our true selves and respects and supports our loved ones. Finally, for straight men who have been misguided by toxic expectations of masculinity, in your quest for spiritual growth, understand that conservatism teaches us the value of tradition and heritage. It reminds us to honor the wisdom of our ancestors and draw inspiration from those timeless teachings and apply them to our daily life. But we must also keep an open mind to the lessons they offer and embrace the freedom to choose what resonates with our ever-changing society. So, my friends, as we navigate the intersection of conservatism and spirituality, let's remember to be tolerant, open-minded, and respectful of others. Let's embrace personal responsibility, honor tradition, and celebrate diversity. And above all, engage other humans, whether they are conservative or not, with a sense of humor and a friendly spirit. Remember, true conservatism wants others to engage their liberty and pursue their own happiness. So let's grow spiritually, hand in hand with our conservative values, and make this world a brighter, more enlightened place for all.